Now, this video is dealing with the shears and why these are not a good idea. We'll focus on how to get the right length another time. Wrong scissors. Take a look at those scissors. Nope, bad idea. Blade's way too thick. You never see stylists using thick blades to cut, but rather thin blades, such as you see with this shear right here. Notice how much thinner. Because thicker shears are not designed to cut hair, they're always pushing the hair out of the blade before cutting it, and they're always making the hair uneven. Additionally, you would never cut the hair like that, grabbing a whole section, twisting it, or holding it, and then cut the whole thing off. You just wouldn't do that, even with the very best shears. Notice how this type of blade pushes the hair so that no matter how hard you try, it's uneven. Okay, and if you use the wrong shears along with a huge section like this is not going to go well. So let's say you cut it in a zero elevation close to the body, and you cut it, or you elevate it. It is still not going to work. The section is way too big. See, it just can't come out even. On this one, I'm elevating it away, still way uneven. Here, take a look. These kind of blades were not designed to cut hair, and therefore they push the hair, making it never come out even.